This video shows you how to earn $91 per hour by just watching videos, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to earn money online by just watching videos. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So, if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notifications on. It's free, and you can always change your mind later. That way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it and of course make the most money. The first step is to play the video. The second step is to watch it for at least 60 seconds. Step 3 is to cash out your earnings. It's as simple as that. Today, I'm going to show you the single most effective website for making money online by just watching videos. This website is accessible from anywhere in the world and it's completely free to use. Now, right before I explain how you can do this, comment down below, I am from your country. That way, I will know exactly where you're from. In the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments below. And don't forget, I'll be giving special bonus tips that will allow you to earn double or even triple more money compared to other people. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now, let's get back to the video. First and foremost, I would like you to go to this website, zoombucks.com. This website is completely free, secure, and legitimate. As you can see, you can earn money by simply completing surveys, watching videos and TV shows, and doing offers. However, for the purpose of this video, we will concentrate on watching videos because it's something you already do every day, and it pays you the most amount of money for the least amount of effort. So go ahead and click on the Watching TV option. Now allow me to explain to you how this website works. Step 1. Create a free account on this site. Step 2. Select a channel that interests you. After that, start watching TV shows and videos. After watching those videos, points will be credited to your account. You may also keep an eye out for more earnings by switching between different channels. And finally, exchange your points for cash or gift cards. It's just that easy. So make sure you watch this video all the way through to properly understand how this website works. As previously mentioned, the first step is to create a free account on this website. To do so, go to the home page and enter your email address, create a password, and just click Sign Up Now. You might also use your Facebook or Google account to sign up for an easier experience. Now, once you log into your Zoombucks account, you can check how much money you can make on this website. You can see that people have made anything from $200 to $500, and you could be next. These individuals are all earning money on Zoombucks by watching videos, completing surveys, or doing offers. The best part is there are a large number of videos available here, and all of those videos reset every day, which means there is an endless opportunity for you to earn money here by just watching videos. To get started, click Watch on the left-hand side. After that, you'll see these boxes with the words Hideout TV and Lootably on them. If you hover your cursor over them, you'll see their offer details. Next, select Lootably by clicking the Start button. You'll then be taken to this page where you can select the video category. You have the option of selecting from the categories of food, DIY, or random videos. On the right-hand side, you can see how many points you can earn in the respective categories. If I select food, for example, I will be taken to this website. You'll need to sign up for a free account to proceed, as you can see right here. To do so, enter your email address, create a password, and just click Sign Up. After creating a Lootably account, you'll be brought to this page where you can watch all of the videos in the food category. This website allows you to watch as many videos as you want. Now, if I click this one right here, for example, I'll be taken to another page where I'll have to watch the video for at least 60 seconds in order to earn money. To give you a bonus tip on how to maximize your income, you can watch as many videos as you like on different tabs at the same time. That way, you'll be able to watch a lot of videos while doing other things. Thus, you'll be able to earn the most amount of money in the least amount of time and effort. You can watch more videos by clicking all of these videos on the right-hand side. Another bonus tip I have is to lower the video quality by clicking the video settings. To save data, set it to the lowest video quality possible. As a result, you'll be able to watch as many 60-second videos as possible while earning as much money as possible. These bonus tips are quite effective, and you can use them right away to double, triple, or even quadruple your earnings in a single day on this website. Now, just before we go any further, if you guys are enjoying this video, in which I've put a lot of time and energy, I would really appreciate it if you tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notifications on. And if we get 2,000 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online, doing basic stuff like this in the comfort of your home. Now that you know how to make money on Zoombox.com by just watching videos, I'd like to show you another way to make money with this site, and that is by filling out surveys. On the left-hand side of your Zoombox dashboard, you should see surveys, which you should click. By doing so, you will be presented with a list of companies that offer you simple surveys to complete. Each survey will pay you $0.85, $0.60, $10, $3, and $5 or much more as shown here. Simply click on the company that offers you the most amount of money. After that, follow the same steps as before. Simply create a free account with the company of your choice and begin taking as many surveys as you like. Now, if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here to discover the laziest way to make money online for beginners, which is available worldwide.